So today we are starting one of the most important topic in 11th and 12th science, that is dimensions and dimensional formulas. Okay. Now in last lecture we have discussed about some quantities, some physical quantities. Okay. And today let us discuss first that which symbols are being used. Last lecture we discussed that mass is denoted by m, length is denoted by l, time is denoted by t, current is a, temperature is k, amount of substance is mole, and intensity is in candela cd. Okay. Few more we discuss some examples also, that it is shown as a power of m, l, t and a. Okay. Dimensional formula of velocity is displacement by time, that is a unit, that is a formula displaced by time. Displacement is measured in meter, time is measured in second. So L1 t minus 1, that is the dimensional formula of velocity. And next dimensional formula we can derive 1 of mv square, that is kinetic energy. Now this is the formula, and for that we have derived dimensional formula m1l2t minus 2. It is a form of energy. So dimensional formula of kinetic energy is m1l2t minus 2. Okay, see here it is m1l2t minus 2. So what you need to do, there are few points you will have to remember. First, remember the equation, that of which quantity you want to derive the dimensional formula. Then second, in this equation convert derived quantities into base quantities or fundamental quantities. Okay. And what are their powers, what are their powers, and powers के साथ उसको लिखो. So put m when there is a kg, put l it is when there is a meter, put time t when there is a second, put a when it is ampere, put Kelvin k when it is temperature. Okay. So if it is a mathematical constant, see, if it is a mathematical constant, so uska dimensional formula ho jayega m0 l0 t0, m0 l0 t0. Okay. समटाइम्स हम m0 को नहीं लिखेंगे, खाली ऐसे लिखेंगे. सपोज वेलोसिटी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला है l1 t minus 1, so m is not there but m0 होता है. Okay. So there are some units. If there is no index on the symbol, consider 1. अगर कोई पावर में कुछ है नहीं यहाँ पे, सपोज देखो यहाँ पे m l t minus 2 है, तो यहाँ पे m1 होता है, t1 होता है. क्लियर? ऐसे होता है. नेवर ट्राई टू रोट द डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला एंड यूनिट, मतलब कभी भी रट्टा मारने का ट्राई मत करो उसको, क्योंकि डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूलाज डिराइव करने पड़ते हैं हमें. ओके. सो एग्जांपल्स. Acceleration. Dimensional formula of acceleration. So dimensional formula of acceleration is m1 m0 l1 t minus 2. Okay. Now next, dimensional formula of force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass acceleration is what? Distance upon time square. सो मास का होगा m1, मीटर का होगा l1 एंड सेकंड 2 का होगा -2. ऊपर आएगा तो -2 हो जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? प्रेशर विच आई हैव गिवन फॉर योर वर्क. ओके. प्रेशर P इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. नाउ फोर्स आपको आप सीधा भी लिख सकते हो, अगर फोर्स का याद है तो m1 l1 t minus 2 अपॉन एरिया है l2, बिकॉज इट इज डिस्टेंस स्क्वायर, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. सो यहाँ पे इट इज l plus 2, यहाँ पे l plus 1. नाउ बेस इज सेम, ऊपर ये +2 जाएगा तो -2 हो जाएगा. सो क्या होगा? l -1 हो गया. ओके. सो इट इज l -1 m1 ऐसा ही है, t minus 2 ऐसा ही है. So dimensional formula will be m1 l minus 1 t minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of the pressure, m1 l minus 1 t minus 2. There are some dimensional formulas given in your material. Okay, in any reference book you can find such dimensional formulas. There are few dimensional formulas. See, these are the fundamental: distance, mass, time. These two are supplementary quantities. Which dimensional formulas are m0, l0, t0? Because they are mathematical constant. For any mathematical constant, कोई भी मैथमेटिकल आएगा ना नंबर, उसका डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला हमेशा m0, l0, t0 ही होगा. Remember this thing. So you can write in your book. अगर आपको बुक में लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो that for any mathematical constant, dimensional formula is m0, l0, t0. Okay, for any mathematical constant, dimensional formula is m0, l0, t0. So there are some dimensional formulas shown here also: momentum, pressure, periodic time. So there are almost each quantity has their own dimensional formula. Okay, see, moment of inertia, torque, impulse of force, surface tension. What are these quantities that we will learn chapter by chapter? What is thermal conductivity? Okay, so there are few dimensional formulas shown here. Clear? Now let us derive some dimensional formula from the formulas. See, here it is the equation. Now write this formula in your notebook. Q is equal to small k into A T1 minus T2 into small t upon capital L. क्या फॉर्मूला है? The formula is Q is equal to small k A T1 minus T2 into small t upon L, where Q is heat. It is a form of energy. Q is heat and it is a form of energy. Now A is area. A is area. T1 minus T2. T1 minus T2 is change in temperature. Change in temperature. Small t, it is time. Small t is time. And L is what? It is length. And last, small k is, it is thermal conductivity. Okay, so small k is what? Thermal conductivity. Now, if you want to derive the dimensional formula of small k, then we need to make it a subject of formula first. So let's make subject of formula to small k, then it is q into L, q into L divided by A will come in denominator, A T1 minus T2 into small t. Is it correct? Are you getting my point? That small k is equal to q into L upon A T1 minus T2 into T. सभी नीचे जाएगा. Is that clear? समझ में आप सबको? Let's put all the dimensional formulas. First, dimensional formula of energy, that is m1 L2 T minus 2. Then dimensional formula of length, that is L1. Then dimensional formula of area 2, that is L2. Then dimensional formula of change in temperature, that is K1, capital K1. Then dimensional formula of time, that is T1. Now एक काम करते हैं, m m1 ही है. ओके, L का क्या होगा? L here it is 2 प्लस 1 एंड यहाँ पे 2 है, ऊपर जाएगा तो -2. T का क्या होगा? T here it is -2 -1, यहाँ पे +1 है, ऊपर जाएगा तो -1 हो जाएगा. सो -1. एक के +1 है, ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? -1. सो डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ this conductivity, thermal conductivity is m1 l1 t minus 3 k minus 1. So here it is the dimensional formula of thermal conductivity. समझ में आया आपको? This is how we can derive the dimensional formula of any quantity from the formula. But condition is what? Condition is there that we should know all the dimensional formulas. हमें सब डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला पता होने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके हम डिराइव कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ the dimensional formula, this you see the electric force between two electric charge is given by F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. See, it is epsilon 0. See, it is epsilon and 0 is in suffix, so it is known as epsilon 0. Okay, q1 is charge, q1 is charge, q2 is also charge, q2 is also charge. R is distance, distance square है actually, and F is force. So question is find the dimensional formula of epsilon 0. तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We should know all the dimensional formulas. We should know all the dimensional formulas. Are you getting my point? So for that what we will do? उसके लिए क्या करेंगे हम? Now formula is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square. Here the dimensional formula of force is equal to m1 l1 t minus 2. I told you to remember some dimensional formulas and you should know this. The dimensional formula of force is equal to m1 l1 t minus 2. Now dimensional formula of distance is l1, but here it is r square, तो क्या हो जाएगा? l2. Now 1 upon 4 pi, it is mathematical number, it is mathematical constant, so उसका dimensional formula हो जाएगा m0 l0 t0. You don't need to write in the formula. Okay, now here q1 and q2 are charge. So charge के लिए क्या होगा? चार्ज के लिए फॉर्मूला होगा Q is equal to IT. Now this formula you have seen in standard 10. स्टैंडर्ड 10 करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर आया था, उसमें ये फॉर्मूला आया था Q is equal to IT. सो करंट के लिए डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला होता है A1, टाइम के लिए होता है T1. सो डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ चार्ज इज इक्वल टू A1 T1. ओके, now these are the basic dimensional formula we should know. First of force, then distance square, then charge q. We should know all these dimensional formulas. बराबर है? Now डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला डिराइव करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? एप्सिलॉन 0 को सब्जेक्ट ऑफ फॉर्मूला बनाएंगे. सो फ्रॉम फॉर्मूला 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 upon r square, epsilon 0 is equal to q1 q2 upon 4 pi f. See, epsilon 0 is come here and f is here, r square. Now let's put each and every dimensional formulas. So dimensional formula of charge is equal to a1 t1. Dimensional formula of second charge is equal to a1 t1. Okay, then फोर्स का है m1 l1 t माइनस 2, डिस्टेंस का है l2। See, now this is a1 t1, a1 t1, so it will become a2 t2, in denominator m1 l1 t minus 2 l2. Now let's divide, मतलब let's simplify it. So m will be -1, ऊपर जाएगा तो, देन l2 है यहाँ पे, और एक है यहाँ पे है, दो यहाँ पे है, ऊपर जाएगा तो -3, l-3। a का क्या होगा, a is 2 एंड t ऊपर जाएगा तो +2 हो जाएगा, तो t 4 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 है, -2 will come up, so it will be 4। so हुआ क्या, m-1 l-3 t4 एंड a2। so क्या आया आंसर, एप्सिलॉन 0 का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला, दिस इज m-1 l-3 t4 a2। नाउ इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस इन शॉर्टकट, तो आप याद ऐसे रख सकते हो, -13 + 42, ऐसे -13 + 42। पहला पावर हमेशा m का ही होगा, दूसरा हमेशा l का ही होगा, तीसरा हमेशा t का होगा, चौथा हमेशा a का होगा, ऐसे याद रखना है हमें, अगर है ऐसे तो। चौथा चेंज भी हो सकता है, कभी कभी यहाँ पे कैपिटल के टेम्परेचर हो तो वो भी आ सकता है। ओके, सो यू कैन रिमेम्बर अकॉर्डिंग दिस। क्लियर? सो ये ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं हम। नाउ पे अटेंशन हियर, dimensional, we are given few formulas. First formula is equal to q is equal to it, second formula is equal to work is equal to vit, थर्ड फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू, या तो आप यहाँ पे ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, v इज इक्वल टू w इज इक्वल टू वी क्यू। थर्ड फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू v इज इक्वल टू आई आर। नाउ दिस फॉर्मूला यू नो, Ohm's law, and this formula you also know, w is equal to vq। Next formula is given, q is equal to cv। okay, there are few formulas are given, clear? And the question is, find dimensional formula of charge, potential difference, resistance and capacitance। चार्ज का फॉर्मूला कैसे होगा, q is equal to it, so I is current is measured in ampere, उसका साइन है a1, टाइम का t1, so dimensional formula of charge will be a1 t1, dimensional formula of charge will be a1 t1। now here it is work, w is what, it is work, so w is equal to vq। so let's make subject of formula to v is equal to w by q। वर्क का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला क्या है, m1 l2 t माइनस 2 अपॉन चार्ज का क्या है, a1 t1, यहां से। ओके, a1 t1, let's simplify it, m1 l2 t -3, यहाँ पे 1 है, ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, -3 a minus 1, this is the dimensional formula of v। okay, this is the dimensional formula of v। so हमारे पास कुछ डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूलाज है, एक हमें मिल गया q का a1 t1, दूसरा मिल गया हमें v का m1 l2 t minus 3 a minus 1, ये मिला हमें। नाउ देयर आर फ्यू डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूलाज जो हमें पूछे है, कौन से पूछे है, डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस R। तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, फॉर्मूला लेंगे, कौन सा फॉर्मूला लेंगे? V इज इक्वल टू आई आर. सो R इज इक्वल टू V बाई आई. V का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला क्या है? M1 L2 T माइनस 3 A माइनस 1 एंड नीचे एम्पियर का है A1. सो ये ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. सो डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू M1 L2 T माइनस 3 A minus 2. That is the dimensional formula of resistance. समझ में आयो? Dimensional formula of resistance. Okay. And last dimensional formula of हमें find करना है capacitance का. तो dimensional formula of capacitance कैसे करेंगे? तो capacitance के लिए हमें formula use करना है Q is equal to CV. Formula is Q is equal to CV. So C is equal to Q upon V. Q is A1 T1. V is M1 L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. यहां से ऊपर से लिया मैंने, देखो. So let's derive it. So M minus 1 L minus 2 ऊपर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. T यहाँ पे माइनस 3 है, ऊपर 1 है तो ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. तो T प्लस 3 प्लस 1 4 एंड A माइनस 1 ऊपर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा तो A2. So dimensional formula of capacitance is this. Okay.